Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm finally ready to move my mining rigs because it's very hot outside and they're overheating. I can see that one of the GPUs is going up to 74 degrees, which is not really good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch them off right now. I'm telling you here because when I open the door you will be able to hear me. So I'm switching them off from the high-res interface. And we're going to enter the room and I'll show you how to clean the mining rigs as I was promising. Okay, shutting down. Let's see. They're on. One of them is off and the second one is on. It's super hot. I will show you the temperature. It is 41. Okay, now I need to unplug all of the cables. Okay guys, to start off you need the power duster. You don't need to shake the can because then it's going to be the liquid is going to pour out of the tube and we don't need that. Let's start with the motherboard. I don't know if you can see that guys, but the dust is flying away. Let's jump to the GPUs. So now I'm going to take wet wipes, but I'm not going to use them on the parts where the cords are. I'm going to use them on the frame of the mining rig because I see it's still a little bit dusty and it's kind of dust which doesn't fly away with the air. Try to buy more than 3 cans of that compressed air because 3 apparently is not enough because they're almost empty. I don't know, I feel that there's a liquid inside, it is still there, but maybe I need to leave them for longer. But I mean they had a rest of 15 to 20 minutes and they're still almost empty now. Alright guys, I'm here, it's day number 3. It's working fine. There's no problem with that. You can see that there are a lot of mosquitoes there which got sucked in. I'm going to switch off the Asics because I need to connect it to the extension cord. So yeah, I would run everything as I was saying in my previous video, I will run all of the cords underneath the ceiling. I will attach them with those hooks. That's what I'm gonna do now. And what I realized is that I have a tube which is going to run from the hole on the top of the extractor, which is going to bring the fresh air in, and the tube is 100 millimeters, and I don't have the exact same size of the accessory like on the drill, and the maximum is 69 millimeters. So what I will do is that I will try to use that small one to make a larger hole. Okay, it's much quieter now. I need to remove that. Oh, so many mosquitoes there. We're going to close the door. Switch on the light and we can start drilling. What we need to do is we need to remove that one. Alright, so it looks something like that. Well, now I will try to make it larger. Well, I still remember, I need to rub it here because I don't like when you can see the cables like that. Now what I'm doing is I'm attaching it's not a filter, it's more like just very small, like a net, but made of aluminium. So yeah, it's what I used before to prevent all of the bugs fly in, and then I'm going to do the same from the outside. Alright, so this is from the outside. Not really straight, but I mean, it won't affect anything here, so. Okay, here's what I did. On the side you can see it's the aluminium tape. So I'm going to attach it like just like that for now, for the moment, and then when I will make a normal hole, not like this one, I will put it directly inside. And yeah, I think it's gonna be much better, but at least I will try how it works right now. Okay, here's what I've done. I taped and sealed all of the areas where the air could go out, so it should be pretty isolated right now. And I'm going to think of where should I place the turbine, because the turbine can be attached with 2 screws from each side, and it's not really heavy, it's super light, and I'm thinking of maybe I will screw it somewhere here or here, and then I will attach the tube there, or I will just put the tube up, run it to the center, and then it will be just blowing all of the air from there. But maybe right now we'll connect the extractor so I can see how much suction I have over the tube, or from the tube. And yeah, let's try it now. For that I'm going to use the cable which will extend. Let's see. Alright guys, so it's been like 3 or 4 hours I'm here. I've managed to do quite a lot. The first thing is the cameras. They are now working and they're attached from both sides, one here and one on the other side. And then from the inside, I will go inside right now and I will show you the turbine is installed. I attached it to the ceiling with a tube. It works fine. The only thing is that maybe I would need more intake, because I I can see that the extractor is not really, like the valves of the extractor they're not fully open, and when I leave the door open they are. So basically when the door is open it's much better, I mean the air is circulating much better, and if I close the door and if I leave the turbine like on the maximum, it's still, the valves are not fully open. They're like better than before, of course, but still not really great. So I'm thinking of maybe I need more intake. So in order for me to create more intake, I'll need to make more holes. So let's go inside, I'll show you what I've done so far. So yeah, the tube is going like that. The turbine is here. The remote, I mean, it's just, for some time it's going to be on the floor. I've attached those hooks and they're holding the cable, but it's not going to be like that. It's going to be a different way. I just need to figure out exactly how it's going to be there. Like, another camera is inside as well. So far it's good, but look at the mess. Everything is on the floor. I need to clean it here a bit. Maybe vacuum again. Like, I'm tired of vacuuming, but I guess it's never gonna end, because when the door is open, the extractor is working, so everything is blowing inside with the dust and all of those leaves, which are like dried leaves on the floor. Well, okay, I guess it's something. So now I'm going to clean, and then I will bring mining rigs and I will connect them, and we will see how it's gonna work out. Both of the rigs are now on. So now let's go and switch on the Asic. I know it's a mess with the cables and everything else, but I just need some more time to fix everything. Okay, the Asic is now switching on. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. So in my next video I'm going to finish what I've started there. I think now everything is almost done. So 2 mining rigs are working, Asic is active, so everything is good so far. In my next video what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move the shelf which you saw I used for the Asics and for the mining rigs, and I'm gonna move that shelf there, and also I will try to make cable management in my mining facility, and I think this is a nice topic for the video, how to manage cables in your mining farm. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.